Discover the secrets of rainwater recovery. Learn how to save water, reduce costs, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Rainwater Recovery by Vahine Taino reveals the benefits of rainwater harvesting. From reducing your water bill to conserving natural resources, the advantages are immense. This guide teaches you how to install a do-it-yourself water harvesting system. Step-by-step instructions make it easy to collect and store rainwater efficiently and safely. Explore strategies for conserving and efficiently using harvested water. Learn how to maximize every drop, ensuring your home becomes an ecological bastion. Get started with practical projects today. Whether you're a nature lover or a gardening enthusiast, these projects will help you reduce your water footprint. Join us on this journey to sustainability. Discover how every drop of water counts. Buy your ebook now and start making a difference.